What you got, Jason? A bony toad?
Oh, I got to fix it. Have a damn shark.
Wait, was that a shark phone?
Yeah.
No, there was some more bonitas falling.
Well,
we didn't get the who, but stick him over here by the camera real quick.
yeah.
He wanted it all. Is he good or is he just an amberjack?
What you playing around with there, Jason?
Oh, boy, I hooked on something. Oh, I guess I got the plug, bottom of the water, I guess.
They don't pull, do they?
Oh, man.
We ain't in the river anymore, are we?
No, same Fort Bayou. This is what it's all about right here, baby.
Yes, sir.
This is what it's all about.
Bring that little dinky donkey up. You're gonna be surprised how small he is.
Yeah, no. Boy, he is way down there too, boy.
There he is right there.
See color?
Nice old reef donkey.
There he comes, reef donkey.
That's a good one there.
Something following him.
Look, there's one right beside it.
Mm-hmm.
Want to take this one? Yeah, he's a good one. Take him?
Yeah, we'll take it.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah. Nice. That'll work. One donkey down. I told you he's smaller than you thought he was, huh?
Yeah. He's heavy. Different. Oh!
Sure about that?
Oh! Oh!
How big is he?
Oh
man?
no, he's taking off.
We can get him off there.
Oh! Don't get down there, boy.
Oh.
Woo, that's a hoss.
Oh God. Oh, it's a good one right here, boy.
Dang.
Well, I'm gonna put him up.
He needs
Get
a
him on
fighting
up
belt.
Get him on up.
Find him a
there.
sissy belt.
No, I'm good. I'm
You
good.
good?
He ain't gonna hurt me.
Look.
I got
Did
two
you look?
pairs of sweatpants
I looked, but
on
I didn't
under
see
his
it, but I didn't look hard.
I got 2 pairs of sweatpants on under his blue jeans. Man, this is a big one.
That's
man.
a big one there.
That's a good one.
That might be a Goliath.
Could be.
We're close to the one of the cutoffs now.
Ah!
Get him up. Get him up. Good. Uh-oh. Yeah, you got to pull him off of that one.
Yeah, I know, this ain't good. We're near the cutoff now.
No color, buddy. Get some in Mardi Gras Amberjack, baby. Mardi Gras.
Bring some of the real time.
Sure.
Ah! Round number 4. Getting a lot of break-offs today.
3 break-offs, one in.
Well, that water's pretty blue.
Nice, AJ. Beautiful.
God, oh, that's bubbles. Oh no, I hope I didn't break the line. Shit, let me give you some slack.
He ain't about like the first one. You look bigger when it's in the water. Mangrove.
Yeah.
Was it a dog snapper?
Here comes Luke. Got a dog snapper.
Nope. Dog.
Mango. 10 pounder.
Nice one though.
Hell yeah.
I see color.
Yeah, baby.
And nobody's following them though. Nothing following them.
Far off the reef.
Yeah. We could drag him back over there.
Good helping, look.
There you go, under his gill. You got it.
This ain't gonna gaff himself there.
You don't need a gaff. Man, we doing this.
Man, that's what it's all about, baby. That is what it's all about.
Woo, hold him up there. The sun's on the wrong side. There we go. Woo, doggy.
Good 25 pounder.
Yeah, that'll work.
Hungry guy.
Good eating size for sure. Not a record breaker, but good eating size.
Oh, it could be a wahoo.
Nice. Either a wahoo or a big shark. Which one you want?
Wahoo. Right there, ain't it?
And Luke's got a
That's got
hookup.
a little bit.
So we got double hookups.
Is it king? What's up, Bonita?
Damn
Tuna. No, bonita. Yeah, when I saw the head shake, I thought it was bonita. You side hooked him. That's why he was fighting so damn hard.
Golly, man.
Dang. Can't believe he fought that hard.
Golly, dude. That was unreal, man. Okay, shit.
Fighting little boogers, ain't they?